Hello my dear friends, I am Dhruv Mankad. Welcome to my channel Techie Traveler. In this first video, I am going to describe about my journey to the majestic Jog Falls located in Karnataka, India. So here we start our journey to the Talguppa Express from the KSR Bengaluru railway station to the nearest railway station to the world famous Jog Falls, which is located in the Sagara Taluk of Shimoga district in Karnataka. The route of this train was quite good, and the scenic beauty of the nature can be adored through it. The beautiful sunrise is also quite enthralling to the onlookers. There are many ways to reach Jog Falls. Like one can reach Jog Falls by air by taking a flight to the nearest airport to the Jog Falls, that is Hubli International Airport, which is about 133 kilometers to the Jog Falls. You can reach by road from the nearby cities like Bangalore, Mysore, Bangalore, Hubli, and also you can travel by train as I traveled. Departed from Bangalore at night and then reached Talguppa the next morning. It's a very small town which handles mostly two trains to and from Bangalore. So we had booked a taxi for us to go from Talguppa to the Jog Falls, which is a distance of 15 kilometers. On the way, the natural beauty was quite good. The lakes and the Sharavati river also looked good. On our way to our homestay, we drove through the Sharavati river bridge. Sharavati river is the source of the Jog Falls. The view from here is mind-blowing. So now we entered the Jog Falls area. After that, we went to our homestay and freshened up for some time. After that, we went to the different tourist places. This is the Jog Falls main viewpoint, and this is the main entrance to the Jog Falls. Near to the entrance, a restaurant is there where we had a breakfast. So after having breakfast, we went to the reservoir of the Linganmakki Dam. This dam controls the water flow of the Sharavati river, which is the source of the Jog Falls. Moving ahead, we went to the Talkalali Dam and reservoir. The road to this area is not very good. So after reaching there, we saw the natural beauty surrounded with the trees and the lakes. We also enjoyed it. Next up, we went to the Raja's Stone. The Raja's Stone is on a hilltop, surrounded by many other hills, from where we can see many other small waterfalls. This is the hanging bridge on the Sharavati river, which gives a pleasant view of the Sharavati river and the surrounding nature. This is the viewpoint of the powerhouse Mahatma Gandhi hydroelectric plant of the Jog Falls. From here, we can adore the natural beauty and see the mountains and the hills surrounding it. So finally we went to the majestic Jog Falls. While walking to the Jog Falls, we enjoyed the lush green environment around it and saw the small waterfalls around it. We also saw the natural beauty of the waterfall. It's really mesmerizing. There are four streams of the waterfall: the Raja, the Rani, the Dora, and the Rocket. So we first went to the Rani Falls. It is also called the Rani Top. Afterwards, then we went to the Raja Top to see the Raja Falls and the other falls. Afterwards, we went to the Nipli Falls, which is also located in the nearby area. Actually, it's not a proper waterfall as compared to the Jog Falls, but it is just a stream of water gushing over the rocks. In the evening, again we came back to the Jog Falls main viewpoint to enjoy the sunset at the Jog Falls. So after the sunset, now it's time to go back home.